All right, everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Mike. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This is called IPO Market Watch. It does cover initial public offerings, of course, but I also cover every single stock that's on the stock market, or at least I try to cover as many as possible. And I also am very bullish. You will rarely ever see me come out with videos and saying, it's the end of this, it's the end of that, and all. No, bear market, bull market, I always try to find things that will make money, and I believe that there's always ways, and there are. It's not just my belief, right? All right, so with that being said, I'm going to talk about one stock in particular focus, more I guess, but overall like 3 different stocks, 4 I'll talk about. These are stocks that have been on a run year to date so far. Really good run. Fine, good, they're fine. They're not, we're not going to talk about meme stocks. So I wanted to bring this to your attention, and then obviously you can do your own due diligence. But before I begin, a word from Bull Market Watch, which is our Discord.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
All right, everyone, the first stock I want to talk about is DHT. All right, ticker symbol is DHT, and the company is called DHT Holdings Inc. I did talk about this before in my Discord. I'll show you in a little bit. But first, I want to say something. All right, charter rates, they're still high. They haven't changed. So, that's a good thing. Maybe they softened up a little bit, but they're still high, right? So they're still very high levels, and that's a good thing for companies like this. They're making really good profits, and we'll talk about the latest earnings of this company just so you can get an idea. So the dynamics, though, for the charter rates and the dynamics for this industry is still really good. And so that's another reason I wanted to bring this to your attention. So based on a quick projection, they also have a new dividend, by the way. A new dividend that's in the ballpark of around 15% dividend yield, which is really awesome. So DHT Holdings is not only doing very well the past 3 months or so, but they're on a run now. They also announced a new dividend, which is very awesome. It's very powerful. It's great. So if you will look at it from a technical perspective, also the company is confirming its upward trend. This will all make sense in a little bit. I'll show you some other things. Now, this is one of the best managed companies there is out there in its sector, right? And the industry expects and believes, industry experts believe, that there will be a strong oil tanker market in 2023. Now, in my Discord, I did talk about a while back that actually late 2022 is when I first mentioned. I said, watch out for February 5th. February 5th, we're going to have, after that, an increase in oil prices. And it's February 10th. It's February 10th today. 5 days later, from late 2022, I said February 5th. It's February 10th now, and the oil prices are going up. Today, the oil prices saw a spike, and oil stocks slightly up. All right, so oil stocks did really well today, and almost any oil stock you picked in pre-market, you were up by the end of the day. So industry experts believe, like I said, that the strong oil tanker market is expected to continue throughout 2023. That's a good thing, right? If you're investing in oil, due to the favorable fleet dynamics and new vessel deliveries are at very low point. That's a good thing. So in the oil tanker industry, new vessel deliveries are a very low point. That's a good thing, because if we had more new ships coming into the market, then It's like, how do I explain it? You have a city that has 10 taxi, and that's it, 10 taxi drivers. So they're making a lot of money, right? It's only 10 of them, but you put another 10, 20, dilution, right? If that made any sense. All right. So back in 2022, for example, I want to talk about another one. Is Frontline, real quick. That's also doing awesome. So DHT Holdings is doing awesome. Frontline is doing awesome also. Back in 2022, I talked about Frontline, $11.95. I said that was a buy. It sold at $12.99. By the way, green dot means these are stocks that I have sold profitable, that I have called and pre-announced before I bought on my Discord, as you can see, and there's plenty more. I mean, we finished really 90%, I think, accuracy. We finished 2022, 2023, even better. Then again, on late 2022, Frontline, I called it at $12.90, sold it at $13.76. Well, Frontline is right now at $16. And as far as DHT Holdings, it's trading right now at $10.35. But I called DHT Holdings a buy at $9.03 at 9:03, and it's at 10:35 now. Right, and that was this year in January. I called DHT Holdings at 9:03. It's at 10:35 now. Safe Brokers is on the run. That's not with the oil. Safe Brokers doesn't transport oil. It's a dry bulk. They're in the dry bulk industry. But year to date, they're going up. They're doing really good. You might want to check that out also. Ardmore Shipping Corp. I did a YouTube video about that at $7.50 some cents. All right, the YouTube video still exists. You can watch it. So when it was at $7, which was somewhere around here, I said that it was a buy and that I'm buying and so on. Guess what? It's at $16.17 now, doing really awesome. Now, DHT Holdings, like I said, well, they surpassed their Q4 earnings estimates. Why wouldn't they, when their charter rates are so high and the demand is now you get thrown at you the whole time from major TV outlets or whatever. Recession fears, and they've been hitting. They've been brainwashing us with this. Which recession? I think we've already been in some type of a recession, but then people miss out on rallies like this one with DHT Holdings, which I think, in my opinion, it's only the beginning. I think the DHT Holdings is set to go much higher. Now, I said DHT Holdings was a buy at $9.03 in my Discord, and then at $10, and I don't remember exactly what. It was today or yesterday. I sold it, which now I fully regret. Why did I sell it? Well, to be honest, because I made after that I made 5 or 6 different stock buys lately. People in my Discord, they know yesterday. And especially yesterday and today, I bought quite a few stocks. So I had to sell DHT Holdings to make room. I was up on it and it was pretty good. So I no longer hold this stock, but I do believe that DHT Holdings will go much higher in 2023. It's at $10 and something now. It's going to go, in my opinion, 14, 15, 16 bucks in 2023. Just my opinion. Now, shares of DHT Holdings surged as much as 16% on Thursday after the company topped earnings consensus for the fourth quarter. Also, I think Safe Brokers is going to continue its run, and I think the Frontline is going to continue its run. Frontline, been talking about it and been in and out of it on my Discord for a while. Now it's at 16 bucks, right? And the last time I sold it was at 13 something profitable. DHT on Wednesday, after the bell, posted Q4 GAAP EPS of 38 cents, beating estimates by 5 cents. Let's look at something else. DHT said it achieved an average combined time charter equivalent earnings of $56,900 per day in Q4. And so they actually did really, really awesome. Their Q4 results, as you can see here and read the rest, was amazing, great. So at $10.25 now, although I think it probably went to $10.35, but that's what it is. 2022, they had $454 million in revenue, way higher than that of 2021, obviously. But overall, doing well. Managing the company well. The low the analysts give it is $10.10. They give it an average of $11.79 and a high of $14.28. Either way you look at it, the analysts are bullish on it and expect much more from this stock. It's a buy rating. Doesn't mean that you should trade according to this, but I just show it. I wanted to talk about something else now. It just came to my mind and I forgot. So I don't know. I forget what it is. Let me skip some slides. Maybe I'll think about it. No, I can't remember. Anyways, so that's that. If I remember what I want to say, I'll leave it in the comment section below. Now, my Discord members, Patreon members, YouTube pay members, I know a lot of them are still holding DHT Holdings. They still are. Congratulations. Why not? I think it's going to go higher. Like I said, I had other reasons why I sold it. But let me know in the comment section below what you think. So I want to share this and the other two stocks that I shared, and bring it to your attention. Check it out. I think they're going to do well in 2023. I wish you all the best. Take care.